Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is session number 9 and it's an exercise. We study an exercise in this session. So I write some random words for you here and you need to connect all these and then try to pronounce them. Okay, and try to write them in connected format on your notepad. Okay, so try practicing writing these alphabets in connected formats. So the first word has 5 alphabets. Zod, this is Zod. The second alphabet is Re, Re. Then it's Wow, Wow. Then it's Re, again Re. Then it's Choti Ye, Choti Ye. And this is the first word. Then the next word is, the word has 4 alphabets. Sin, Sin, Alif, Alif, Re, Re, Choti Ye, Choti Ye. Then the next word has 4 alphabets. Alif, Badi Ye, Sin, and Badi Ye again. And then the next word has also 4 words, which are the first alphabets. The first alphabet is Pe, Pe. Then Alif, Alif, Noon, Noon, and then it's Ye, Ye. Then the next word has again 4 alphabets. The first alphabet is Jim, Jim, Ye, Ye, Te, Te, and Badi Ye, Badi Ye. Now try to write them in connected formats on your paper, on your notepad, and try to pronounce them. I write their pronunciations under these alphabets for you, so it would be more easy for you to pronounce all these, to write all these in connected format. So I'm going to write their connected formats in with the help of English alphabets, like in Roman Urdu. I'm going to write in Roman Urdu. So the first word is called okay, it's in left to right format, so I'll write this one first. So it is like this one. Then it's, sorry, it will be from right to left. So the first one is this one, this one. So it's ZA. This is for the pronunciation purpose. This is not correctly written in Roman Urdu. It is only for your pronunciation purpose. I'm writing it like this one so you can easily pronounce it. It is called Zaruri, Zaruri. So the next word is it's Sari. It would be like this one, Sari, Sari. Then the third word, this one is like ऐसे, ऐसे. Then the next word is like this one, pani, pani. Then the next word is like jeete. So these are all the words you can see here. Try to write them in a connected format and try to pronounce them as you can see on the screen. So that's it in this session. We'll meet next time inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.